of you pay attention. Changnaro, let us start the class. Okay, in the previous classes, I have started about the periodic properties in the modern periodic table. The first one is, the first property we have discussed is about the atomic radius. As you go left to right in the modern periodic table, you will find that the size gradually decreases because of the increased effective nuclear charge. Down the group, we have seen that size is gradually increasing. So can someone tell me about the topic which we have discussed in the previous class? What are the topics which we have discussed in the previous class? Iris Chongtham, nang kita summarize among the topic points about atomic radius.
Atomic radius left to right चटपा काने decrease तवे दुगा down the group चटपा काने ना increase तवे.
Maramdi ke gino left to right chapter matamda increase tawishina, down the group chapter matamda na decrease tawishina.
Left to right चटपा काने सा मुझे nuclear charge से हंकले तो मुझे shell machine से हंकला कभी ना electron nuclear charge से हंकला कभी ना atomic charge से decrease तवे दुगा down the group चटपा काने दे मुझे shell machine से हंकला कभी ना मुझे atomic charge से nuclear charge से जिम्मन
down the group chapter matamda mugi nuclear charge number of cells increase to miram size of the okay ngasi talk to second periodic properties. The second periodic property which we are going to discuss today is about the ionization enthalpy. So let's start the class. All of you pay attention. Let's start with the topic. The second periodic property is called the ionization enthalpy. So what is ionization enthalpy? With the definitions, I'm going to explain what is the ionization enthalpy. The name itself says ionization. That means you are going to form ions, right? Ions formation is going to take place. Enthalpy means what? It is also defined as the heat content of a system. System to the object of a heat to name. In other words, you can also this as energy required. So nucleus and electron mabani ki marakshida affinity am wange. Nucleus ke electron ki marakshida there is a strong attraction. Like charges they repel, unlike charges they attract. Plus and plus repel, minus and minus repel, plus and minus there will be strong interaction. Okay, you will never find plus and minus fighting. Okay, nupa ga nupa di khana bayai, nupi ga nupi khana bay, nupa ga nupi shili khana de, unless nupi duna nupa wala ko matam da khana rakani yan tarba. Plus and plus repulsion thoi, minus and minus repulsion thoi, then plus and minus they attract. Okay, so this point is universal fact. Don't forget this. So nucleus ke electron gi marakta affinity am wang na lei basa akoina electron se lothok ne electron se nucleus de ki chingthoga ion sem gi ne si the changba amount of energy se koina kya na khang nei, we call this ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy is defined to how will you define ionization enthalpy? The energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom in the ground state. Ground state have been stable state. In the stable state of the atom, that also in the gaseous state, the energy required to remove an electron, that amount of energy is called ionization enthalpy. Aluminium example let me take aluminium for example. Aluminium, you almost be knowing the atomic number of aluminium, and the electronic configuration of aluminium is 2,8,3. This 3 electron is to be taken out from the atom. Electron ahum se lauthopa matamda akoi aluminium se stable configuration tagidoine. Aluminium is going to be stabilized. It will obtain the neon configuration. Okay, a question let me ask the question, you all must answer. So when energy is supplied, you are going to take out this electron from the atom. That amount of energy supplied is called ionization enthalpy. So is it easier for aluminum to gain 5 electrons, or is it easier for aluminum to lose 3 electrons? Karambana hena laiba hengani aluminum gida. Losing 3
Lose
Three electron.
three electrons.
Losing 3 electron is very easy for aluminum than gaining 5 electron to obtain argon configuration. Argon configuration tanaba ma electron manga changadoineba, but ahum mang gibune hena laiba aluminum. Si mang ma matamda apoi ilai lai na mang deba ko. You are requiring energy to this electron from the atom. Nucleus ka electron go bani gi marakta attraction level sa energy changeba. So the amount of energy needed to remove this electron is called ionization enthalpy. Kangaba? Ionization enthalpy have the kano?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir. Ionization enthalpy jang mamang kas tawgre.
Among class to grad. Okay, kadai pau tame.
Electron gain enthalpy bo tawgre. Successive electron gain enthalpy bo tawgre.
Receive electron gain enthalpy. Okay. Electron gain enthalpy have the kano riot.
Sir.
What is successive electron gain enthalpy?
Sir, electron gain enthalpy have the atom amada electron hapsin matamda pithokpa energy do electron gain enthalpy.
Very good. When electron is added to isolated gases atom. Okay. Si mamang class ito ulam nila ako matang chat si ko. Let us not use any more time. Okay. Ditadi ako electronegativity the lakad. The next point we're going to talk is electronegativity. Isalo electronegativity.
Sir. Sir, can know the photoelectric effect, sir, can threshold energy na yawgidana sir. Adu duga ionization enthalpy ga kari kenage sir.
Adu pura chapter mani ko nang hai mari amta lainade. Threshold frequency hai bisika musiki ionization enthalpy hai bisiki amti khena gar tongan ba channel ni ko nang duna. Photoelectric effect hai bana kaino. This is the phenomenon when light strikes a metal surface and electrons are ejected from the surface. That minimum amount of frequency needed is called threshold frequency. Sigi ionization enthalpy hai bisina this amount of energy required to remove the electron lo thokadaba process da amount of energy ka chang buduna apoi ionization enthalpy hai khangaba. Okay, makha chathasi ko. Electronegativity sina point mari subo gadaba. Okay, mamangi class da koi ionization enthalpy ka electron gain enthalpy ka tapo loi gramina exidagi hogi ko. Electronegativity hai di koi in another words electron affinity hai ga su khangai electron ga nucleus ki mabani ki makta lai relationship to ne. Okay, atom amana electron yam pamaba adoi ta ga di magi electronegativity se yam wange hai ga size yam pikpa kangu sing sidadi akoina electronegativity ki magi value si yam wange hai doi ne. Ada electronegativity hai ga di kamaina khangna hai ga de hai ga di electronegativity is defined as qualitative measure of the ability of an atom to attract the shared electron towards itself. Masamang the electron lotion in bagi tendencies in ko. An example ma pige boron, second purity boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon lerin falasi ko. Sigi elements in se second purity label. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Along the period left to right chapamatamda size is picture. Size quite the boron. Boron is going to have the maximum size. Quite the size picker left to right the neon. So this small size is directly proportional, okay, to electronegativity. Size ampere the electronegativity and wang. Okay, smaller the size, higher will be the electronegativity. Larger the size, smaller will be the electronegativity. Sigi point se kaw adre ko. Adudi sigi series da kanana khwaidagi electronegativity wanga dagi hero. Which one will have, which of the following elements will have the highest electronegativity? Boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, or boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine.
Fluorine. Neon.
Fluorine.
Fluorine.
Neon
Fluorine.
fluorine. Fluorine na payo maram se kay gino. Why?
Fluorine.
Why fluorine has the highest electronegativity?
Small size.
Yes.
Fluorine is the smallest size.
Smallest size.
Okay, smallest size oirabnina nucleus ka jiki cell the attraction se wangani and electron affinity su wangamani pa. There is a strong attraction between the nucleus and the electrons. So this ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy mamang tamre. Unlike ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity is mass measurable quantity na deva. Adubu measurable quantity na te higher the su scientists kara mana mogi value se putom do ne. Like Pauling scale pa. Like one higher kani Pauling scale adegi kana kana no ladies. Let us see some of the scales which you have for measuring the electronegativity. Pauling scale le Millikan scale le Alfred Kochau scale le. High scale sing chat. Okay, higher classes tamchi. Hujiki wenadi yam compulsory we did not need that for syllabus so yawanati. But maru the Pauling scale se maru pa. Based on Pauling scale, you can measure the electronegativity value. And this regarding the derivation and formula, I know it is not a part of your syllabus. Let me give you one example. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride ka chlorine the magi charge se kya lageni? Delta minus. Hydrogen the magi charge se kya lageni? Delta positive. Sinata kudi kanano chlorine is having more electronegativity than hydrogen. That means electron pami se kanana pambe hele, chlorine pambe hele. Adudi kanarum the chalani electrons hai. Chlorine jine chingani. Thori chingna ba chama nahi ko. Yes. Just like the tug of war, a very thin person nupa mayang kangbamaga nupa noibamaga thori chingna matamda kanana kana chingba hengani masa noiba masa chaw nupa duna and kana chingdoi. And then kanana ngamani tug of war sa masa noiba mi sina ngamani chama nahi ko thori chingna ba matamda masa phaba mi duna kana chingba dumaina electronegativity value yang wangba species tuna electron se chingbe hengadoi neba. So compared to Rosiko, chlorine ga hydrogen se electronegativity kanan hena wange hairgadi chlorine se na hena wange heli madi 7 electrons leguni valence ga 7 electrons lo in mangbai muhuta ama khata gain toraga madi stable oiba pameba adigi hydrogen ama khata lai mana helium gi configuration tanaba onaba matamda mana ama mu gain togdoine. So the difference in the electronegativity value, okay, is given by Pauling scale. Yarba. And scientists, they give some arbitrary value. Say for example, fluorine. Fluorine gimagi electronegativity value say 4 and assigned to. Okay, this is just an arbitrary value. Fluorine is taken as 4. Assign I give the boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Electronegativity 5 wanga the bisi kananu hai tamda kananu hagi fluorine hagi ko. Fluorine has the highest electronegativity. So fluorine gimagi electronegativity value according to Pauling scales here. Scientists, they give an arbitrary value 4. Aduga, they compare their electronegativity values and they found that they have a difference of 1.5, 0.5, 0.5. As you can see, the electronegativity values in the same period, the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, mogi electronegativity values hangalai ki maram kai no hargadi size yam lokogine size am people na mogi electronegativity values yam pikharani aduna according to Pauling scale this fluorine is assigned an arbitrary value. Okay, magi value se kya pire sida fluorine sina 4 people matamda mogi common difference in 0.5 mo well re ko aduna left to right chapa matamda apna sigi data sidigi kai kangma the electronegativity value is keep on increasing due to the small size as you go from left to right. The effective nuclear charge to And then second period to su yeng asi 0.9 1.2 sum chathare ko. Then down the group chapa matam dadi size chawkhalak pai maram na electronegativity value sum handara ka doine. As you can see, there is a decrease in the value of 1 factor. So sigi point ma kango left to right chapa matam da electronegativity value handarai, down the group chapa matam da electronegativity value su handare. Left to right chapa matam da hangalai, down the group chapa matam da handare. Okay, left to right chapa matam da size picture koi maram na electronegativity value hangalai. Down the group size increase koi maram na electronegativity value handare. Habadi size to depend on upon electronegativity value have say it is inversely proportional to kana harmony to the size. The thumb rule is size and electronegativity value have say inversely proportional level. Amana chawu matam amana pikadaba amana pikku matam amana chawu. Electronegativity has a it is the measure of electron attracting tendency happening. Say that NCERT textbook the yarn gani no shin ratio aniko NCERT textbook the facto periodic classification of elements in number 3 gi para the facto NCERT textbook electronegativity have a part wingo the yarn gani. Okay, this is a screenshot from your NCERT textbook. So keep in mind as you go from left to right in the modern periodic table, size decreases, electron affinity system sumwangkalani, left to right the lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine the size system because nuclear charge so electronegativity increases. And then down the group let us take another example of S block. S block the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Then amana halogen. Halogen is given by X, group 17 elements. So ngasaya ka haigi down the group chapa the size sum increase to rate. Size sum increase karamni na electronegativity value se sum 100 ani. Yani ko size depend to upon ni ko. Size ampere gadi electronegativity value se sum chawrakani ba. Aduna lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium chapa matamda electronegativity value sum 100 kadoine. Haibadi electropositivity handle haiba. Metal ki character se keno electron thadokpa ki tendency si natra. Aduna size chawkala gadi electropositivity handle hai. Yarba size p gadi electronegativity handle hai. Ani se size p gadi electronegativity, size char gadi electropositivity. Electronegativity hai the electron lotion ba, electron positivity hai the electron thadokpa. Yaradra aduna size yam pikpa kangu sing the electronegativity value yamna wang ba. So down the group chapa matam the size se charokai maram na electronegativity value sum 100 kadoini. Left to right chapa matam the size pikpa maram na electronegativity value sum charokai kadoini. Adagi khudam amagalogi example. Another example is from group 17 elements halogen. Halogen the elements in fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Down the group chapamatam the size is increasing. Size is sum chawkhalak pai maram na kedawra nucleus ka electron gi mabani ki attracting tendencies sum 100 chumi ko cell sum hapkalak pai maram na kedawra nucleus ka electron gi mabani ki affinity natraga mabani ki relationship se sum kaithare yam lapa gadi relationship kaithar pani ko na gadi relationship yang wang bani ko ti makangjalo. The nucleus ka electron ga mabani ki arapa se sum wang khalak pai maram na relationship se kaithare adu targadi electron pambi ki tendency se handarani. Distance matters. Aduna kedawra down the group chapamatam da size chawkhalak pai maram na electronegativity handare hagida. So as you go from fluorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, let us check the electronegativity value. Pauling scale na piva value ni ko. Pauling scale have it is a scale used to measure the electronegative difference. So fluorine ki kya le rahe 4, chlorine ki kya le rahe 3, bromine ki kya le rahe 2.8, iodine ki kya le rahe 2.5, astatine ki na kya no 2.2. So hiro left to right chapamatam da electronegativity value hangalakra handarakra. Yes, electronegative value increase or decrease left to right?
Increase.
Increase. Very good. Why it is increased? Because of the small size. Go. Down the group chapamatam da
Size.
very good. Down the group chapamatam da kay comment to we electronegativity difference. Decreases because of the
Decrease.
very good
decrease story
Large
number
size.
of cell
Large size of
of size of nina.
large size.
Okay, okay, very good. Matang chang asiko. Project periodic trains in chemical properties. Si lak tungi da ai question khara tawhaningi muida. Sigi question chi hot khaba yengo mamangi class tengo. Have you already solved these questions? Question number 1 is solve to khaba yengo. Need ki questions. Rojia solve to khaba. Question number 1 is hot khaba.
Ogre.
Hot khaba.
Ogre.
Very good. Question number 2 di whole bring halogens.
Ogre.
Question number 3. No NCRT questions sing si kaka yeng jalu ko NCRT questions sing si amaru oi. NCRT question is si tawdri ko si taw.
Totally.
Answer chu pito hai question chu pito hai I explain ta roking. Isoelectronic species ki matang deni. Isoelectronic species have the kind of those species which have the same number of electrons. So what do you understand by isoelectronic species? Name a species that will be isoelectronic with the following atoms or ions. Iso hybrid same hybrid, same number of electrons like that. Iso hybrid same. Electronics hybrid electron natra. So same number of electrons like that. Isoelectronic species. So the elements, the atoms, ions, fluorine, argon, magnesium, and rubidium ion. So ahan with the fluorine lower C, what is the atomic number of fluorine? Anyone tell me?
9.
9 sida electron number gain to saladi electron kya lani fluoride ion sida 9 plus 1 kya no?
10.
10.
Yes. Aduna
10.
no example may amon PBR fluoride ion sida electron tara le sodium ge electron sodium atom the electron kya lai how many atoms are, electrons are present in sodium?
11.
11 day ama mang kita
11.
yes 1 electron lost from sodium kya
10.
karani 10 abhi target fluoride ions
10.
yes
10.
fluoride ka sodium se isoelectronic species ne hai ko because they have how many electron each 10 10 tumi ko not
10 electron.
yes what about magnesium magnesium ion da ko electron kya lagani second ionization enthalpy chatharo if you take out 2 electrons from magnesium sisu 10
12.
12 sidagi ani lotho di 10 taidana ko
10 udiwa.
yes first ionization enthalpy second ionization enthalpy chatharo electron tara lo leramani ba aduna ahan bagi question cha not only sodium ion kata pigi sui natraga magnesium pigi sui aluminum pigi sui no apambani ko aduna isoelectronic species agadi kayama kamai khangna ge these species which have the same number of electrons they are called isoelectronic species. Adagi second question the high say name a species that will be isoelectronic with the following ahan bagi na fluoride ion gi pire ani subada argon gi hairo argon gi electron kya lai argon ga manaba isoelectronic species kanano anaro argon gi to electronic atomic number kya no 18 ne
18.
18.
okay tell me one isoelectronic species similar with argon.
Chlorine.
Yes, calcium. Very good. Calcium के atomic number क्या नो 20 नी 20 से देखिए अनि मांग कितना आएगा दी ionization enthalpy अनि चतुरो second ionization enthalpy then 2 plus लानी अदुना argon can have calcium नत्रगा chloride ion जो भी आई को chlorine की दी क्या नो 17 जितना 17 plus 1 क्या था 18 था है वो अदगी magnesium atomic number क्या नो what is the atomic number of magnesium 12. 12.
12.
Very good. How many electrons remove? 2. So how many electrons remain? 10. Ado starting as IP give example.
10.
As IP give ani se PB roba. Fluoride ion, sodium ion. Adagi rubidium ki noi tawzaro ko. Rubidium ke atomic number noi kya no hai? What is the atomic number of rubidium? Anyone?
37.
Very good.
37.
Yes. Very good. 37. What is the atomic number of strontium? 39 no bra.
38.
38 or 39.
38.
Yes. So you can
39.
yes, you can find out for the remaining elements. Sino yung natawzero ko, home assignment ki question din. Adagi question na mga yung si. See question si chama na. Question number 5. Dahil singo, explain why cations are smaller and anions are larger in radius than their parents. Parent atom dagi kagino cations in a small size or is adagi parent atom dagi anions in a large size or is I should explain to okay ko. Atom X in a electron ama mango matamda minus electron to matamda mangonda kari charge kani species se cation ola kani sigi atom X in a electron ama gain to. If this species gains 1 electron, you are going to get an anion. Aduga size of the cation and size of the anion se compared to matamda anion in a chawbe level. Okay, size of the anion and size of the cation se compared to matamda kananin chawre. When you compare the size of the cation and when you compare the size of the anion is larger in size. This is the question. So explain to Rohabini. Can anyone explain the question? If you can explain the question, you can unmute yourself and tell me. I can say that you understood the theory very well. If you can answer this question, it is based on that ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and all those concepts. So explain why cations are smaller in size and anions are larger in size than the parent atom. Is there anyone in the class who can answer the question? Because we have already done this in the previous classes. If you got the answer, unmute yourself and tell me. Aduga check the words. Go. Rojia hayo. Answer hayo. Kay maram gino. Ay bunga mudra. Hayo try to. Don't be afraid. Lala su kisu kaide.
Cations high electron gain enthalpy like cations na.
Lagi kana hay bunga mi. Khel Chandra, Robertson. I don't competition level in the you should have competition.
Sir.
And answer has. Right.
Sir.
Tai.
Cation di positive charge labina electron am lagthokibnina asagi nuclear charge hingalakpana nucleus na electron chingjanbdo helabanina pixelani aga anion dana electron ama hablabnina
yes exactly
repulsion hingalabnina khel chawthokrani.
Yes, very good. Main concept very good. Riot, very impressive. The key answer to the layer of Nikon. One is the repulsion and the nuclear charge. Very good. I give a pointing to Riot, very good. Repulsion layer, minor no mark the competition layer. You should answer the question when the questions are arise. Difficult question may also come, easy question may also come. Okay, see the higher is repulsion as well as effective nuclear charge. Like your friend Riot, I give the minor isokara explain to okay. Cation is smaller than anion have any parent nucleus compared to matamda. Cation is smaller than the cation is smaller than the parent atom because cameron gino higher gadi cation hai sikeno masi always already electrons lothokra baneva parent nucleus to the parent atom to the electrons lothokita gadi ke dotare maonda electron wala ani. However, nuclear charge the length de parent nucleus parent atom ni na ko same species nuclear charge hong banai de hong ka do si kana no electron masing do hong ka do ni adagi size of the anion will be larger than the parent atom. Anion sin na size chaw do maram se kai gino hai gadi electron ama hapsala ka do ne ba ko electron ama hapsala ko matam da aina nga sai mamang hai gi budo minus ka minus repulsion lai plus ka minus attraction lai hagi ko electron yam na lay electron masing yam na lay ba atom da amuk electron ama hapsalak pa hai ba electron marak to the repulsion di lay do ba ne ba su na repulsion lai re nucleus na di ahen ba nuclear charge lay ba di na te ba masa hagi bani parent atom the same nuclear charge lay bani na there will not be any more further pull. The only difference is going to be in the repulsion lay do ni ko. So that is the answer for question number 5. It is because of increased repulsion hierarchy. increase repulsion and decrease nuclear charge. Okay, let us move on to the next topic. Question 6, question tara mathoi tran pemuk lei ko. Ayeng ay class lo ko pulak PDF thagalake home assignment or ko dabni ko. Okay, ngasi taki busiga ayeng takada buduga ayeng on thar ngasi gi thara kiroi class lo jibni ko ayeng thar. Anyway, we'll continue with the topic. Hujik lakadu isina karino metallic trains munataro dudi sigi points ma hayam ge. Metallic character and non-metallic character. This point is also in accordance with the size. Size to depend on what you call. Aduna ahan but size ki matang sine padana khanga left to right chappa matam the nuclear charge increased over down the group chappa matam the addition of new cells principal quantum number increased over matam the size of a high sing padana khanga size dang padana khangbi matam da no makha tarak pasing so oina laira kaniba concept sing the mamangi concept sing hapchalaga metal ki character hai basi kaino electropositive character ni ko. Electron releasing character is the character for metal. Electron accepting character is the character for non-metals. Electron lotion doine ba non-metals ki character di kaino electron attracting tendency ang wang non-metals in the day. Aduna akoina size ki matang de khangrabnina we can easily deduce and summarize that metallic characters ki matang da yingo left to right chappa matam da kaidawi size is decreasing. Size decrease taramnina size am chawdu se kanano nangi s block elements sing dune compared to p block elements ko p block element ke s block elements se compared to matam da size am chawri se kanano s block elements ne size am chawru gadi nucleus ka hagi budo nucleus ka electron ga mobani ke arap se am tina lapa ni ko distance matters and size am chawravnina electron ga nucleus ki mobani ke relationship hararoi adu tadi electron se thuna thadorani electron thadok ki tendency si wanga gadi metals की character ने हाई cation से form तौरानी so metallic character is decreasing along the period अकोइना नहीं नरी से करोम दनो periodic trends along a period नि को down the group दे कोई कौन नहीं नसी along the period से हाना खंगी से को period तो ने चकी से horizontal दा down the group दे कौन लाग से को period के हाना नहीं नगी से so left to right चप्पो मतलब द size से increase decrease तो वही मरम ना के दौरा size decrease metallic character also decreases. Adun takpadi metallic character yang wang na laitu si karomda. It will be on the s block elements. P block elements in anam non-metals organic. So extreme left la isi kana kanano alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, and some of the d block elements. And then coming to the next point, which is hagi butuni ko non-metal characters we line explain to be sina vice versa ni hai tare ko. Along the period chapamatam the metal character decrease to already kanani increase to doisa non-metal character increase to non-metal character से कनागम का relate हो गया है size से relate हो गया है size am pick pakangu ne ba size am pick pakangu di kayo mani electronegativity ang wang mani ba electronegativity ang wang pakangu di kayo mani size am pick mani ba aduna nga sa item give do electronegative ki part ta size am na pick pakangu se electronegative ang wangi aduna electronegative ang wang pakangu se they have electron accepting tendency ko electron accepting tendency si wang gadi non-metals की character से left to right चप्पा मतम दे increase तौर कनी down the group चप्पा मतम दे ना decrease तौर कनी so group की दे नहीं नदरी होजिक नहीं नरी सिने period तनी को left to right चप्पा मतम दा non-metal character increases अदु इतानी metallic character decreases अदुना पुंगसु लेस लकत्रे रोजिया ngasi के के ताकि कितन summarize तौर मथंगी part points लाग चुकी
the electronegativity hierarchy, a qualitative measure of the ability of an atom in a chemical compound to attract share electrons to itself is called electronegativity. Aduga magi train se left to right chapa matamdana increase tawe maram di small size or bigi aduga down the group tana decrease tawe maram di large size or bigi aduga isoelectronic species hierarchy species which have same number of electrons.
yes
Periodic trends in chemical properties the metallic character se left to right chapa matamda decrease tawe maram di electropositive electronegative se decrease tawe ani adudagi non-metallic character se na left to right chapa matamda increase tawe ani aduga electronegativity su increase tawe kani.
Very good. Now I'm going to give one more topic point simatala hayam ge aduga hayang continue tawrasi ko oxide formation ni matang da thumb rule ama laiba the thumb rule which is going to help you in your exam as well as in class 12 so amuko tamakini copy block I was अदन सिगी पॉइंट से काउ सुना दे मेटल्स का ऑक्सीजन के रिएक्टर होगा दी कैसे मी मेटल ऑक्साइड नॉन मेटल का ऑक्सीजन रिएक्टर होगा दी कैसे मी नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड वाह आइना सिदा हाइबो पॉइंट नि से नोय फजन खंगजलो मेटल ना सेम ऑक्साइड ती बेसिक ओइ को नॉन मेटल ना सेम ऑक्साइड ती कैदोरे एसिडिक ओइ इसी पॉइंट से काउ दे metal oxides are basic, non-metal oxides are acidic. Metal oxide hierarchy. For example, magnesium. What is magnesium? Magnesium the kanano, magnesium the metal level. So metal the form of oxide the these are basic oxide. For example, magnesium oxide, sodium oxide, calcium oxide, copper oxide. Metal the same oxide the basic oxide. Non-metal same oxide kanano, these are acidic oxide. Say for example, sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, non-metal natani P block elements and ladies. Sulfur na form to oxide sulfur trioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid. So high river oxide things these are acidic oxide. Carbon the same oxide higher carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, the same oxide acidic oxide. And metals na form to oxide ti basic oxide ni. Non-metal na same oxide ti acidic oxide. All the trends and behavior lacking da. Sige point mo sino mind strike to thamo left to right chapa matamda kay dogi metallic character decrease dogi ko. Left to right chapa matamda kay dogi metallic character decrease dogi. All the left to right chapa matamda basic oxide increase to godra decrease to godra hairo.
Decrease.
Kay maram gino haragadi metal ki character decrease to robni na.
Decrease.
Yes, basic oxide oidusina karom dano extreme left. Yaraba haibadi S block elements na same oxide things number basic mani. P block thing na same dusina number acidic oxide mani. Si kawya driko. So left to right chapa matamda acidic oxide increase the way, basic oxide decrease the way. Haibadi metallic oxide is a basic oxide, non-metallic oxide is a acidic oxide. So you arrange the following. I'm going to give you one sequence. Arrange the following in the order of basic oxide. Arrange the following in the order of basic oxide. So for example, I'm giving you here lithium oxide, beryllium oxide, boron oxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Kanana quality basic characters which one will have the highest basicity?
Lithium oxide.
Very good. Why?
Lithium oxide.
Metallic characters have lithium quite wang. So metal na form to oxide basic oil, non-metal na same oxide acidic oil have to adagi noi khanga amani lower classes class kya ta magkisibo amphoteric oxide hai khangi ko amphoteric hai gana kaino basic ka acidic ka mabani ki characters dual